Hello, people. I'm going to start. First time ever playing this game. I'll get more into the camera, but I'm excited to start. This is Swords and Souls. Never played before. Let's just get started. Should I know what I can do? Okay. No. Fighting with a stick. Ow! Ow! Just die! Thank you! Die, you mole. Mole level 1. I'm dead. I've been beaten by a mole. A mole! Training room. Dang it. Stop the! Why can I not hit these? Nope, wrong button. Dang it, I just got hit in the face by an apple. I can hit the stars, but I can't hit anything else. Dang it, I missed a star. Ah! Yeah, buddy. No, what? That's better. And get the star. And miss an apple. Oh yeah, this is how I do it. What? There we go. Good, you look strong enough to face the mole now. Okay. The newbies. Oh, whoa. Hey, oh. Oh! Ow! Oh, that looks painful. Give me the money. Look. Block apples. No! I hate you. Oh, I just blocked the star. It just told me not to block the stars. No! Stop blocking the stars! Of course, I can block stars, but not apples. Stop blocking stars. Ow. Why am I moving a thumbs up behind me? Okay, what the heck? Stop doing that. Just stop it. Ten, 11, 12, 14, 15. Okay. I'll meet you back at the... Okay, I'm back with the King Mosquito here. Die! Oh, dang! You dead, son! Dead, son! wrecked. Oh, damn. No. Dang, he got absolutely destroyed. What the heck was that? Armory? Okay. Not much. Patrick, what are you? That was weird. Okay, let's not look at that. Alright, let's leave here. Let's go to the arena again. Let's try the next battle. I don't know. Oh! Oh, just wait, what? Oh! Oh! Oh no, I'm dead. I'm very dead. What the hell? House for sale? Not yet. I want to do something. What's that? Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm going back. It's a training. Okay, we're not ready. I think I missed that. No! Ah, dang it. Dang it. Dang it, what the heck? Laggy, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna meet. I'm gonna have to. Okay, I'm just gonna. I have to do this on camera because I can't play with. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No! I'm doing terrible. It's the arrow keys that I'm really bad at. Ah! Here, let's go. I'm just so bad at hitting the stars. Yo. What? The game glitched or something? Okay, no. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. Leave! Okay. I think I should save up. It's a hero. Oh yeah, it's a lot to that. Accuracy. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the arena. Ah, I just wasted that. Oh my gosh, I'm murdering these guys. Oh, I'm dead. Oh yeah, I'm dead. King Bandit's gonna kill me. I should have double slashed him. And retry. No! What do you want? I'm not gonna upgrade. Save and double slash to the end. Can almost one shot you. Double shot you. What's this here? Ah! No! It sends me down to 1 health. Yeah, I can't do this yet. What in the world was that? Spam all these right here. Door. Time to wake up! Okay. What's in here? Okay, now I think I'll be good. Now let's try the arena again. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording. Okay, I'm back. I died again. This is over here. Get that back up. Actually, what if I can put this down here and see if that'll affect it? Affect the game now. Okay, so my level's down there. Well, that's gonna be in-game purchases. If I had to guess. Okay, the light's getting kind of bad over here. The light's getting crazy over here. No, I missed it. Nope. What? You saw me. Up. The lag is slowing it down, so it makes the slashes before. What? What the heck? The key wasn't working. Can you leave?
Oh, you can do it.
Let's go back. Let's go to here. Anything I can do in here? I'll try some more. I really want to beat this one. You're dead. You're dead. I've taken no damage so far. It's the best I've done. Oh! Oh! I've lost no health! Double slash the king. Ow! He has so much damage! Stop. Yo, what just happened? Ah! I did really well there. I'm not afraid. There we go. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Okay, now let's do this. I think I've got this now. Before I did epic and I took no damage up until the boss. Juke up. Ah, dang, dude. You didn't juke up the attack. No dodge. Yay! That's right. Let's double slash.